Today, I'm combining fresh beetroot with a few simple ingredients to make a salad that is not only delicious but also packed with health goodness. So, if you are looking for an easy way to add more vegetables to your meals, this is definitely one you want to try. It comes together in just few minutes. And trust me, once you try this combination, you will start looking at beetroot differently. So, let's get started. I'll begin by washing the carrots, cucumber, lemon, and beetroot thoroughly. Most of these fruits and vegetables usually come with insect, dust particles, ground, and sand on them. So it's usually very important to wash them thoroughly. Now that everything is clean, I'll go ahead and peel my carrots. I love adding carrots to beetroot salad because they give the salad that extra crunch and also add another beautiful color. I'm grating my carrots into thin strips, but you can also slice them if that's what you prefer. Next, I have cucumber. The cucumber is going to add that fresh juicy crunch that I really love in salads. I'm going to peel off the skin and cut the cucumber into thin cubes. Next, I'll prepare my beetroot. Beetroot has such a beautiful natural color, but let me tell you, it can stain almost everything it touches. So, you want to be extra careful when handling it. I'm going to peel it using my knife. Beetroot is one of those vegetables that it is easy to overlook, but it's actually quite a lot going for it nutritionally. It contains folate, potassium, manganese, and other nutrients. And it is also naturally rich in compounds called nitrates. These naturally occurring nitrates can support healthy blood flow. After peeling the beetroot, I will slice and grate it. I personally love grating the beetroot for this kind of salad because it makes it easier to mix with other vegetables and you get a little bit of beetroot in almost every bite. Now, I'm going to put all my vegetables together in a large bowl. This looks so beautiful already. We have the deep red from the beetroot, the orange from the carrots, and the fresh green from the cucumber. I will slice half of a medium-sized bell pepper and add to the salad. Honestly, this is the kind of salad where you can easily adjust the ingredients according to what you have available at home. For the dressing, I'm going to cut my lemon first and give a generous squeeze into the bowl of salad. If you enjoy a little kick in your salad like I do, you can add some black pepper, then some honey, a little bit of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to toast the salad gently so that the dressing coats all the vegetables. You don't want to overmix. Just toast everything until the dressing is evenly distributed. At this point, you can also add some ingredients to make the salad more filling. You could add boiled eggs, avocado, or some roasted peanuts. But today, I'm keeping mine simple because I really want the vegetables to be the star of the dish. And I love how crunchy and fresh everything looks. If you have never tried beetroot in a salad before, I really encourage you to give this one a try. It's such a simple recipe, but sometimes simple is exactly what we need. Let me give it a little taste. The combination of the sweet, earthy beetroot with the fresh vegetables, and the dressing is so refreshing. It's crunchy, light, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Nagai's Haven if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments, do you enjoy beetroot in your salads? Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.